Jumur, another important factor in deciding home loans, what are the interest rates right now?
So right now it's a very good time, for those who want to take home loans. The interest rates are quite competitive.
Okay.
So anything between 7.5 to
Hmm.
9.5.
Hmm.
A lot of, I think some part of the credit should also go to the RBI, because they have given us consecutive rate cuts, over the last couple of quarters. They have also made sure, that the financial institutions pass on the benefits of these
Ah,
rate cuts, to the end users. So as compared to, I mean, I have personally seen, home loan rates at 18, 19, etc.
wow.
So, I mean, we are doing very well, as compared to, and even globally, our home loan rates are quite competitive. So depending on which institution you are going to, it would vary between 7.5 to 9.5. And again, there is some room for you to negotiate
Sure.
depending on your credit eligibility.
Now, the other variable here is fixed versus floating.
Yeah.
What is the difference and which one is more advantageous?
So the names are fairly self-explanatory.
Yes.
So I'm not getting into the jargon of it.
Okay.
So fixed is my interest rate is fixed.
Hmm.
However, it's important to know that it is not fixed for a lifetime. It will be fixed up to say 10 years, and after
Okay.
that things get revisited. Floating is exactly floating. It will keep on changing with the market conditions. If the lending rates go up, then your interest rate goes up. It goes down, your interest rates go down. They will have to keep track of the market. I will give my own example. So when I started off, I had a fixed home loan. Over the year, initially, obviously, the EMIs were very tough to pay. Over the years, I got comfortable with it.
Hmm.
Along with comfortable, I got lazy. So
Oh.
the interest rates had really reduced in the market, and
Huh.
I was still sitting at 14, 15.
Oh.
And then I heard, that all my colleagues, my friends, my family members, they were all in the, 8 to 9.5, 10% range. And then I'm like, okay, why am I paying 14%? So I just had to reach out, banks, financial institutions, whoever you have
Hmm.
taken the loan from. They make it very easy. You just have to reach out to them. You have to ask for a recalibration of your interest, and they will do that.
Let me ask you something technical. I have a 25 or a 30-year home loan. I started with fixed. 5-10 years later, I changed my mind and I said I want floating. Is that flexibility available?
Absolutely.
Fixed to floating, floating to fixed.
Absolutely. So if your lender is good, if your lender is transparent, then this transition is supposed to be very seamless, very painless.
Okay.
And even the RBI mandates, that if the customer wants to change,
Hmm.
you are supposed to allow them to change.
I see.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like,